Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So okay, basically we're only going to be living in this house for like a few, probably like actually like exactly 1 month now. But I ordered all this stuff to organize the pantry because our pantry is insane. All of the stuff that we're using can be moved to wherever we end up moving next. Logan's sneaking snacks right now. So I wanted to make a whole video of us redoing and reorganizing our entire pantry and give you guys like links and tips and stuff for all the stuff we're using, everything I got on Amazon. So let's get started.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
So this is what the pantry looks like in our house. It's just this one wall with the fridge and like 2 sets of pantries. This is locked, so the owners must keep their stuff in it. And then this is just like random stuff. We're not even gonna open that one. Right now we have these 2 big pantries. So in this one, we have been keeping like spices and cooking stuff up here. As you can see, it's like insane. So we're gonna do something about that. And then down here, I've been keeping like all of the kids' cups and dishes. And then we have formula just in case like I ever have to leave and Anna needs formula. And then just like some other random stuff back here. And then down here, again, just completely random, like 2 boxes of macaroni noodles and then like Ziploc bags. So we're gonna do some organizing to all of this. But this isn't even the crazy part. This is where we keep all the actual food. And it's just gone very crazy. Very crazy. Especially this, because Layla sometimes gets into this cabinet. Anyways, the only reason I've let it get that bad is because I knew I was making this video and I knew I was waiting on like all of the materials to organize it. So I kind of let it get a little out of hand, like more than I would have if I wasn't planning on like totally redoing everything. So Logan is unpacking one of the boxes of supplies right now, but I'll show you guys what I have over here. One of the things I've been wanting to do is organize our spices. So I ordered this kit of like racks, I don't even know what you call this, like a stand for spices, and then a whole bunch of these jars. I think it comes with like 25 or 24 of these spice jars. And it comes with all of the materials to fill them up and then label them. And I think you can put the labels on the top and on the sides, depending, just like in case you keep your spices in like a drawer where you can see the tops or whatever. So yeah, and it comes with like all these little stickers with like labels of like the most common spice names. And the next thing that I got was a bunch of these cereal containers. So I got like 6 of these. You can put stuff other than cereal in there too. Like you can put like goldfish or like granola or I don't know, whatever else could go in these. And these also come with little labels. Next we got all of these containers again from Amazon. The brand is V Top Mart. I don't really know how to say this. So it comes with 2 super tall ones, 4 of these size, 4 of these size, and then 4 of these. And I think they also all stacked pretty nicely as well. And you just open them like this, and they literally like pop open because they're like literally totally airtight. Someone woke up from her nappy.
She doesn't seem very happy though.
No. So we also already have a couple like clear plastic organizing bin things. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out of these because obviously nothing's actually organized in them. So I'm gonna take these all out. We probably have like 6 of these somewhere in here. So I got all of the containers that were in the pantry and I'm just gonna kind of rinse these out because some of them have like random crumbs in them. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take out all these cereal boxes and put all the cereals into the new plastic cereal containers. Okay, so we have a lot of cereal. I don't even eat cereal. This is for Logan and for my sisters and for Layla. I don't know how we ended up with so many different kinds, but we did, so. next, I think we have a bunch of like ramen packets because we like stocked up on those a little bit once this all started, just like in case. I have these like boil in a bag rice packets and then also like instant oatmeal packets. Those kind of like all go in the same category, I guess. So I'm gonna just put them all together, like the packets individually together in one of the little clear containers. So Logan is going to go ahead and put the pasta. Remember which is which so that we can put the labels on for like.
Alright, I know my noodles here.
Okay.
I know my noodles.
Alright, so Logan's gonna do this while I put all the ramen and stuff together. Did you already get a packet of ramen to cook?
No.
Use this one because it's like open already.
You want some?
No. Perfect. Oh man. Well.
I'll make whatever doesn't fit.
Oh my god, you told me to make 5 packets of ramen.
What do you think, vlog?
So there's that. Next, all my boil in a bag rice packets. I love these things. Okay, cool. We also have these 2 packs of couscous mix, herb chicken flavor. So I'm just gonna put these behind the rice here. Next, so I still have the oatmeal packets, which I didn't end up putting in the last box because I feel like the other box was like lunch, dinner stuff. So I'm gonna put the oatmeal packets in this one with these little Pediasure drinks because these are actually shelf stable. I got these for my sisters because they're like chocolate milk, like meal replacement shakes, like nutritional drinks. They have like extra protein, calcium, vitamins. Anyway, so yeah, so they both really like them and I'm trying to get Laela to drink them. So next thing I have is my granola bars and I put the last of our K-cups in here. We also have the reusable K-cups and I guess I'll put the ground coffee that we fill those with in here too. I put the sugar and flour into these jars and then I have all of my like tea stuff and this. And we're still in the process of moving all of our stuff over into these containers, but it's looking pretty good so far. If you guys have a lot of like pastas and like dry ingredient stuff, I would definitely say order 2 of these sets. They like have a lot of pieces to them, but like the small ones like don't fit that much. So I would definitely say get 2 of them. Hi. Hi. Laela. Hi. Hi. Do you have a good nap? Ooh.
Gucci.
Kissy? Oh, you're so sweet.
Chip.
Oh, so sweet.
Daddy?
Can Daddy have kisses? Oh.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
You want to see how I did the pantry, Laela? I just cleaned the pantry. You want to see? You like it? We're almost done, guys. We're about to do all these spices. This is actually all the spices that we have right here. So not too bad. And now I'm just gonna put the stickers to go on the front. All right, guys, we're all finished. We still have 1 empty container that I can fill with once we like go to the grocery store and restock on snacks and stuff. but we're all done with everything else, so let's do a pantry tour. So I have all of the spices lined up here. Honestly, to give an honest reveal on this like spice set, the racks are like not the best. As you can see, they're kind of like uneven on the metal part, so like they don't look as like evenly and perfectly lined up. But other than that, I love the jars, so if you have another place to put your spices and stuff, definitely would recommend. But yeah, the racks themselves kind of suck. Also, we didn't have enough spices to fill all the jars, and Logan was very bothered by the fact that there was an uneven number, so we just lined the back with the rest of these jars that are empty. So once we get more spices, then we can fill them up. And behind there, I just have like Nutella and peanut butter and some like cooking stuff that we rarely ever use. Logan uses spices a lot when we cook, so I just put them up in the front, but everything else is in the back. Like, we really don't use peanut butter or any of that stuff at all, so just stuck it back there. And then in the front here, I have our sugar, our flour, which again, we don't like bake a lot. We do use sugar for like coffee sometimes, but other than that, we don't even really use that much. And then behind that, I just have some more cooking stuff. The rest of the big things of salt and some like olive oil and whatever. Then down here, I have all of the kids stuff. I have those little snack cups, her bottles from when she used to have like bottles at bedtime. Now she just uses these cups during the day, and she doesn't have a bottle at bedtime anymore. But these are just like sippy cup bottles. And then we have all of the kids plates for Laela and my sisters when they're here. And we only have one other like plain kids cup other than these ones. And then I have all of the like baby stuff back here. We have like baby formula, thermometer, bottles and stuff. And then we only have like 2 of these things. So I have the one there, the other one's like in the sink or something. And then we have this perfect pantry. We have all of the pastas and their things back here. So we have pastas, we have breadcrumbs, other cooking stuff, more pasta back there, coconut, graham crackers, granola. This is my oatmeal. I put my like snap pea chips back there. I might take those out because I eat those like all the time. And then I didn't take these out of the bags because honestly I thought the bags were kind of cute and they go together. So I have these rolled oats and these like flaxseed. I don't even know what I have these for. And then I have these containers of cereal, and I have like also goldfish in this. We need to re-up on our goldfish. And then down here I have, back here I have my tea stuff. Luckily these things actually pull out, which is awesome. Okay, wait, that doesn't so I have all my tea stuff back here. I don't really like drink tea that often anymore. I drank it a lot when I was pregnant. And then I have these Go-Go Squeeze packets. I was just talking about how I want to find a better, like cheaper and more environmentally friendly way to do this. So I ordered a thing of applesauce, and then I have like refillable packets that you can fill them with and put them in your fridge. So this will be my last order of Go-Go Squeeze packets until those come in on Amazon. I have our fruit snacks, some granola bars, and K-Cups here. And then I have like some coffee and then like Hershey's chocolate and our marshmallows for when we have s'mores here. And then I have the oatmeals and breakfast shakes, Pediasure shakes. Then down here I have the ramen, I have some mac and cheese packets, couscous packets, instant rice packets, and then all of our canned stuff. I forgot to show this, but all of our cans of stuff were in like this ugly plastic bin on my counter. They were in this. They were in this ugly little like plastic red bin on the counter. So I took them out and put them all here. We just have like raviolis. We have some like mandarin oranges and like pineapples, peaches, and like other random like beans and stuff for when we make chili, tomato soup, corn, just a bunch of random canned stuff. So I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you were motivated to go and organize your pantry because we're all stuck in the house, so we have nothing else to do. We might as well make our house nice. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and check out my Instagram, which is in the description below. If you guys want to comment, my comments are turned off because a lot of family channels have comments turned off by YouTube. So if you guys want to comment, I always put a comment section on my Instagram story, so go check that out. And I will also put links in the description below for all of the organizers that I use. I got everything on Amazon except for the stuff that I already had. Like these ones, I think I got them at like, I think it was Bed Bath & Beyond. But I'm sure you can probably find similar things on Amazon as well. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.